Hey everyone, welcome to episode 9 of our IAM Best Practice series. In this session, I want to talk a little bit about how to ensure both your passwords as well as your access keys are regularly rotated. I know back in episode 3 and 4, I talked about not using access keys, always using a role first, but you may find yourself in a situation where an access key is unavoidable. What you want to do is just ensure that those access keys are rotated like passwords within your IAM deployment. Now, there's no automated mechanism built in to ensure that those access keys are rotated. So my best practice for this is to use an AWS managed config rule. That means we don't actually have to create anything from scratch here. We can deploy config, and with a couple easy clicks on the console, or better yet, a CloudFormation template, we can set up some rules to validate or ensure the compliance of the access keys in our account. We want to make sure that they aren't, years old. And that may sound extreme, but in some of the audits we see access keys that tend to be multiple years old. So with that quick implementation, you can ensure that the access keys are rotated on a regular basis. It's not automated, but it'll at least give you insight into the current situation. A bonus tip is another managed config rule that you can quickly deploy as a password policy. Ensure that your password policy adheres to your compliance requirements and that it is not altered. Again, gives you a quick visual cue whether that password policy is in compliance. So 2 easy things you can do through AWS Config to ensure that your access keys are rotated and that your password policy complies to your standard. So get out there, build great things. We'll see you next time.